Partial denture prosthesis fiducial. T-Bone is a longtime KOL for Rowe Dental Laboratory. He is the director and owner of 3D Dentists, and he teaches our protocols in Raleigh, North Carolina at their facility. He will teach you in-office printing. He'll teach you the surgery and even the business of full arch. Great courses. Highly recommended. In this case, doctor used basically a partial denture. I mean, it's almost a full denture, but you can see there's some teeth remaining here. This is our fiducial. Now you can either do a wash impression under the partial if you wish to give us maybe a little bit more accuracy of the bite, but we can use these teeth for the bite. So the first scan before surgery is scanning the denture, seated, grabbing these teeth real carefully, get the detail, closing the patient down, and getting the bite. Of course, scan the opposing, get the bite. Then simply seat all of the arch bridges on top of the multi-unit abutments. In this case, doctor creatively used some composite here to attach the two. Perhaps swinging these around and using some longer arch bridges would have worked, but in this case, it worked beautifully in this technique. And then scan the tissue, sutured with the multi-unit abutments, and upload all of this to us. And with this, we will, hopefully we have some nice photographs. We will design the prosthesis. The aqua is the study model, and that is taken into account when we're designing. There's the arch bridge, and we had the tissue and the healing collars. And here we are with a prosthesis design. As normal, as all of our Grammetry videos, these processes and protocols are repeated throughout each one. The only difference here really is that we have an arch bridge instead of the OptiSplint or instead of photogrammetry. It's a beautiful outcome. Very nice work. Thank you very much for sharing this case with us, T-Bone. When you want to go to final, there are two great avenues. On the left is the patented iJig, where you simply capture intraoral scans, extraoral scans, pretty simple process. We send you back a prototype for the final that is sectioned and that is simply luted in the mouth, equilibrated, and returned to the lab to go to final. Very simple process, thousands and thousands of those completed. Or to the right, Graphenano, simply scan the healed tissue and scan the equilibrated prosthesis from the day of surgery, order a prototype, or go directly to final in milled Graphenano material. Two great options to finish up your case without the need for photogrammetry.